Hey guys, so we are going to be scouting Furman University in this first part of the vlog. And scouting just means that you're going to try to find the perfect location for an image in your mind. So basically for this one, I'm trying to find photo spots for an upcoming wedding. So yeah, you want something picturesque, something classic, something classy. So yeah, come on. Those clouds are actually really nice, so maybe if I have clouds during the wedding day, that'll be good because it's a natural diffuser. Okay, what I like about this bell tower and line of trees is that it's all symmetrical, meaning there's trees on both sides, the left and the right, so it just looks very even and equal in the pictures. Their campus has a Barnes & Noble. So nice. Such a nice patio area. Right there's the rose garden. Alright, here's the rose garden, which I actually got my senior pictures taken here back in high school. Yeah, if I shoot here, I'm gonna bring my bug spray because there's a lot of bugs. Yikes, they love me. See, this spot looks great, but then you look down and it looks like, I don't know if I really want that in wedding pictures. This little gazebo looks kind of dilapidated, doesn't it? Okay, I'm here at the Rose Garden at Furman University, and I'm trying to see if this is a good spot. I got my pictures taken here for junior, senior back in high school, but I don't know. It might be too gloomy today for me to really see the true brilliance. Let's look. Okay. She has a very big bridal party. I think she has like 8 or 9 bridesmaids. And then the guy has 5 groomsmen, and I feel like it's a little tight over here if I do have the bridal party pictures here. I think this could work for the first look or the bridal portraits, but not sure about the true bridal party pictures. Verdict is that I think I'm going to use this spot as maybe the bridal portraits or the first look. It's kind of whimsical, so I might just reserve it for the two of them. Okay, I'm trying to think right now of the best place to do all this, and I'm trying not to do this. I'm trying not to talk to the camera while looking at people because I'm a little shy. But anyway, my deduction is right now, start with the first look at the bell tower, which is yonder across the pond. Start with the first look there, do some bridal portraits there, and bride and groom portraits there as well. And then drive on over to the rose garden that I just showed you, do bride pictures there, do a couple of bride and groom pictures, but then actually do the bridal party and the family pictures right here on the lawn, just because it's right beside the water. And what I like about this grassy area is there's trees in the background, so it adds texture and depth and contrast. Because if I did the family and bridal party portraits beside the bell tower and the water, it's gonna look pretty, but because it's all like white, it's going to be reflecting the sky, and there's just not gonna be a lot of depth and contrast in the background, and it's easier for people's skin and hair to just kind of evaporate and be overly exposed when you're standing them right in front of something really white like the sky. And I can't predict the weather or the temperature or the forecast on Saturday, so I think I'm just gonna keep the bridal party pictures here on the lawn because there's the trees again to add shade if it's too sunny and to add contrast for the background just in case it's too bright outside. So here's another spot beside the water near the lawn, so it'd make it easier to shoot the water pictures here, but I don't like the composition as much as the other place, like right beside the water, or right beside the bell tower over there across the pond. This is still pretty good, but it's just curved. There's no like zigzag or anything. And also I did want to point out that because there are geese, there will be geese poop all over. I guess that's a swan. It's actually really pretty. But okay, I'm about to have a call with my assistant on Saturday. She's actually a newer photographer and she's shadowing me, so hopefully she learns a lot. I'm just going to be walking her through the wedding day and some of my expectations for myself and just for the whole day in general, so hopefully she learns a lot. Alrighty, it is wedding day for Katie and Chad, and I just want to show you guys what I packed up for my gear. I already had my breakfast, and I have already been looking over the timeline multiple times, but yeah, let me just show you what I packed up. I have 2 different light stands just in case, and you can actually pop this off, untwist it, and put it on top of your camera. I also have my tripod for the ceremony because I don't want to have a fast shutter speed. I want it to be as slow as possible. I have another tripod just in case. I'm not doing a flat lay for this wedding, but I do have my 2 flat lay boards. And I really need to have a nicer backpack for my camera stuff. But if you watch my what's in my DSLR camera backpack for weddings, you can see exactly what's in here. But there's my camera, have my reflector. Here's another tote for any extra necessary goods, lenses. And then I also do have a fanny pack that just has extra batteries or tissues just in case the family needs it on the day of the wedding. Guys, I'm bleeding already and the day hasn't even began.
There's a reason why they got me.
It was closed for like a year and a half. You couldn't come on campus.
I know.
It was sad.
Go ahead and push farther. Farther back. Okay, so we are now going to the reception. We ended the ceremony really early because of something that happened, but so far it's been a good day. We have done a little bit of troubleshooting, but my assistant Faith has been so phenomenal. I wish she lived here, but she's like a couple of states away. But yeah, next time I do a wedding, I will always bring an assistant because it definitely gives me peace of mind. But yeah, it's been a good one, and I hope to see you at the reception. Here we are.
Your destination is on the left.